Now at 11, new insight about the lawsuit filed by Kyle Plush's family against the city of Cincinnati. 16-year-old Kyle Plush died last year after becoming trapped inside his minivan despite calling 911 for help twice. His family says negligence by two 911 call takers and two Cincinnati police officers are to blame. 9 on your side's Marielle Carbone is following that story tonight. Marielle, what can you tell us?
Well, the legal expert that I spoke to tells me that this case is a tragedy, but there are explanations for what happened. That being said, he says it's no surprise that the lawsuit was filed.
She didn't say that he was pounding, that he was screaming. She didn't say that he said he thought he was going to die.
A failure to do their jobs, two 911 call takers not reporting vital details, and two officers not completing the search. Al Gerhart-Stein says those factors led to Kyle Plush's death.
I'm concerned that the city never dug deep enough.
So the family filing a wrongful death suit Monday.
It's not surprising to see the lawsuit.
Local attorney Mark Crumbine says the lawsuit seemed likely to happen. According to documents, the family is seeking $25,000 in damages, a required minimum to file in court. But the family says it's not about the money.
If they were really suing for $25,000 only, it would be laughable that they would bother.
Crumbine says a lawsuit like this can be a tactic to force change.
Some people feel, and legitimately so, if they hit a city hard enough and get enough money, that will create the change that they want.
If it goes to trial, he says the case can cost millions for both sides.
These lawsuits can be tremendously expensive.
That high cost makes it risky for both. He says most cases often reach a settlement before going to court, but it's unclear at this point if that will happen.
This may be an all or nothing case where maybe the Plush family feels, hey, this has got to go to trial. We want our son's story to be known so there won't ever be another Kyle Plush.
And Crumbine says that the case could be settled at any point, potentially even making it to trial and being settled right on the courtroom steps. Reporting live from City Hall, Marielle Carbone, 9 on your side.
Marielle, thank you. Cincinnati responded to the suit tonight by extending its condolences to the Plush family, but it also says it will defend itself in court. City Manager Patrick Duhaney says the city has greatly improved its 911 system since Kyle Plush died. In a statement, he also adds the ECC exceeds state and national standards for 911 call answering. We have developed and implemented these changes in a transparent and collaborative manner.